Okay, now we'll continue this one. So you see, if you go through this particular that is a opcode part, okay, opcode part is a very simple way it is defined. That is one part is this one opcode part defined 0 0 triple 0 to 110, that means 0 to 6. Then we can call as a memory reference instruction. Okay, now another way, if we go through certain like a here address part, okay, here opcode, here is also I, okay, and this particular mode we will discuss, that is what is the mode of this. But if opcode is equal to 111 and I is equal to 0, that means this will be 0, suppose, okay, opcode is 1, but here is a memory reference case. If it is a 0002, that is a 110, means a non triple I, okay, non triple I means if it triple 1 non triple 1, okay, that is a 0 to 6, triple 1 means 7. Here is a if triple 1, if it 0 to 0002 116 110, then 0 to 6, then what happens, we can call as a memory reference instruction. If particular opcode is equal to 111, I is equal to 0, then we can call as a, that is a register, we can tell as a register reference instruction, okay, register reference instruction we can call like this, okay. Similarly, if we go through another way, very simple way, if we go through another way, like here is 1, here is 0, if it is 0, then it is called as a register reference instruction. If we go through, that is 1, if it is mode, it is 1, okay, and address, there is no problem, 0 to 11, here 12 to 14, here is 15, here 0 to 11, 12 to 14, here is 15, okay. Similarly, opcode is equal to 111 and I is equal to 1, okay. If I is equal to 1, then we can call as a input and that is a output instruction, input and output instruction, okay. So these three category of instruction we can consider, okay. What is this, what are those? One is a memory reference instruction, another is a register reference instruction, another is a input output instruction. We have already discussed this part from very beginning. Computer instruction formats and with the opcode, address and its mode. For this topic, we just construct three basic computer instruction formats, that is a memory reference instruction, register reference instruction and input output instruction. These three types of instruction we will consider, and based on that how it is defined from a given instruction format, okay. We will discuss this instruction format. Once again I will tell you, suppose this instruction format having, we know that that is what are three parts. One is address part, opcode part and mode part, okay. This mode part is defined is very nicely. This is the mode part, okay. Here also mode part, this is the mode part, okay. Here also mode part. this mode part for memory reference. If it is defined 0002 111 opcode part, okay, 0 to 6, then what are the I mode part is I, maybe 0, maybe 1, then we can tell as a memory reference instruction. Okay, and suppose I is equal to 0, in this case suppose I is equal to 0, then what happens? I is equal to 0 means it is a direct address. Okay, in this case memory reference instruction with a direct address. Okay, if we go through, that is I is equal to 1, then indirect address. For what? Both. This is okay. Both memory reference, if you go through, I define memory reference. How to define? That define through opcode. Opcode value is 000 through 110, means 0 to 6. If you opcode 0 to 6, then we can call as it is a memory reference instruction. And it is also depend on I. If I is equal to 0, then memory reference with the direct address. If I is equal to 1, then memory reference with the indirect address. If this value not there, only opcode is 111. It has a two part. If 111 I mode or mode I is equal to 0, then we can call as a register reference instruction. Okay, that is a register reference instruction. If opcode again 111, if mode is 1 only, then we can call as a input output instruction. Okay, so this is the basic concept to define, that is what kind of instruction format. Either go through this that is a memory reference instruction, or register reference instruction, or input output instruction. It absolutely depend on both opcode and I, particularly opcode actually. If opcode defined 0002 110, then definitely it is a memory reference instruction. If 111 opcode is 11, again depend on I is equal to 0. If I is equal to 0, then a register reference instruction. If I is equal to 1, having opcode is 111, then it we call as a input output instruction. This is the basic concept of, that is a basic concept of a memory or computer instruction formats. Three type of computer instruction format normally we will design. Okay, that's how to design. I explained all. So I hope all of you understand this part. Okay, so thanks to all to watch my videos, and that is please subscribe. If you want to comment, please comment me. Okay, thanks to all.